Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back to our channel. In the previous class, we have discussed the meaning of the poem The Kite. Today, let us know the summary of the poem The Kite. Here it is. The first part. A new kite looks bright when the sky is clear and blue. The kite takes a plunge and bends sideways. It, its tail produces a cracking noise. Then suddenly the kite rises high like a ship with a sail cloth. The kite has only one sail of a string. It rides over the strong winds and climbs to their top like a ship. It pulls forward when the wind is strong, but as the wind falls, it also rests for a while. This is the first part. Let us know the meaning of it. A new kite looks bright when the sky is clear and blue. This, the new kite, which is brought recently and newly from the market, it looks very colorful, beautiful, attractive in the clear blue sky. The kite takes a plunge and bends sideways. These are the activities it performs. It takes a plunge, it jumps, it enters, it bends sideways. It reaches the top by bending the sideways slightly. Its tail produces a cracking noise. Its tail will be having a sharp sound, cracking noise in the wind. Then suddenly the kite rises high like a ship with a sailcloth. When it gets a strong wind, it soars high, it reaches the top. It reaches the top. The kite rises high like a ship with a sailcloth. The kite has only one sail of string. The ship has many sails, sailcloth, but the kite has only one sail, that is string, that is thread. It rides over the strong winds and climbs to their top like a ship. The kite rides over the strong winds. How the ship rides over the strong waves of the ocean, in the same manner, it rides over the winds and climbs to their top like a ship. It reaches the top, it reaches the crest. Crest means top of the mountain. It pulls forward when the wind is strong. That the boy who is flying will be pulled by the kite. It pulls him as the wind is strong. When the wind is strong. But as the wind falls, it also rests for a while. If the wind reduces its gust, at the time the kite comes on the ground and seems that it is resting. Here we have the second part. When the thread tied to the kite becomes loose, the flyer rolls the thread back. When the kite doesn't get the wind, at that time it comes down, so the thread will be loosened, slack. It becomes loose. The flyer, the boy who is flying the kite, rolls the thread back. He rolls the thread back. Then again the flyer runs until the kite is filled with wind and goes up. The flyer rolls the thread back and runs until a new breeze blows. Right? Until a new wind blows, he runs and tries to keep the kite up in the sky. On a clear blue sky, the new kite shines. On the clear blue sky, the new kite shines. It is colorful, attractive. It shines. It glitters, right? But if it gets torn badly when it flaps on the tree top. On the first day while flying in the sky, it glitters, it shines. The same kite, if it is got stuck on the top of a tree, what it does? It is torn thing. It looks badly. Torn badly when it flaps on the treetop. Flaps means move up and down, flutter, flying action. It just flutters at the same place. At that time, people don't pay any attention. They don't look at it. This is the summary of the poem. I hope you understood it. Next, we have the exercise part. Working with the poem. Question number 1. List out the action words in the poem. Dive, dip, snaps. Some are given. The remaining let us list out. Rides. Rides is not given. Crest. Crest is not action word. Rest. Next. Blows. Fill. Goes. Flap. See. These are the action words we find. Find out the meaning of these words. Here we have that. Dive, dip, snap, soars, rides, pulls, flaps. These are the action words. Here it is given with meaning. Dive means to plunge, jump. In swimming pool, swimmer that they dive into the swimming pool. Dip, dip means bend. It is an action word. Snaps, snaps means makes a sharp sound, cracking noise. Soars, soars means fly high, rises, fly high. Soars, the bird soars high means flies high. Rides, rides means climbs, sits on the top, on the back. Rides means climbs. Riding bicycle, riding bike. Next word, pulls. Pulls means drives forward, drives forward. Pull and push, opposite words. Pull means drive, it is an action word. Last word, flaps. Flutters, flutters. Move the wings up and down, that is flying action. I hope you understood the meaning of these words, these action words. Now, question number 2. Read these lines from the poem. Here 2 lines are given. They are taken from the poem. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. Here like is used, comparing word. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. Soaring is action word of the kite and it is compared with the ship. Comparison has been done here. Let us go further. The moment of the tailless kite is compared to a ship with a sail. Here comparison has been done between 2 things. One is the moment of the tailless kite and one more is a ship with a sail. This is called a simile. What is simile? Simile is a figure of speech in English. Comparison between 2 things which have the same quality are called simile. He is as brave as lion. Here the man is compared to the lion. As green as grass. The mat is as green as grass. Next, as tall as giraffe. The trees are as tall as giraffe. Here comparing 2 things. We are comparing 2 things. Giraffe and tall. Sorry, giraffe and tree. Both are tall. As strong as elephant. He is as strong as elephant. I hope you understood the meaning of simile. Can you suggest what or who the following actions may be compared to? Here some examples are given. We have to compare the suitable things we have to use. Right? First one, he runs like a deer. He runs like a deer. He runs like a cheetah. Right? He eats like a elephant. He eats like a wolf. He eats like a baby. Anyone can be written. She sings like a bird. She sings like a bird. She sings like a cuckoo. She sings like a nightingale. It shines like a sun. It shines like a star. It shines like a bulb. Right? Last one, it flies like a bird. It flies like a butterfly. It flies like a an eagle. Right? These are the answers that can be written. Here they are completed. He runs like a deer. He eats like a wolf. She sings like a nightingale. It shines like a glowworm. It flies like a kite. These are the answers for the question answers of the poem The Kite. I hope you understood these. You have to write these exercise part neatly in the notebook, including the summary of the poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.